Are you now, or do you feel called to become a life coach? And you'd love to know the proven steps that you can take to make a profound and lasting difference in your clients' lives as quickly and effectively as possible? If so, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Mary Morrissey. I'm the author of 2 best-selling books, No Less Than Greatness, Building Your Field of Dreams, that became a PBS special. And I've been working in the field of transformation for approximately 40 years. I spent 23 years as a minister leading a large congregation, and then over the years subsequent to that, I've spent many years helping people from all walks of life all over the world unlock the power in them to actually create results they'd love to create and have a life and make a difference they'd really love to make. I'm the founder of Life Mastery Institute, which is the world's premier training and certification center for transformational life coaching. And after investing all these years coaching and mentoring literally tens of thousands of people all around the world, and training and certifying hundreds and hundreds of life coaches to do the same, I can tell you that there are 3 very important steps that you can take to fast-track you and your client's success. So number 1, look for and find a mentor. Not just any mentor, but find a mentor who meets these qualifications. You want a mentor who knows how results occur, how things actually, rather than circumstance or coincidence. You want someone who understands the invisible laws of success and how results occur, and has a long track record in achieving the results that you want. You want someone who's willing to show you how to create the results you want, and someone who cares deeply about you and your success. When you find that person, you have found a mentor that's worthy of working with you in your life. I met that kind of mentor for myself in 1987. I'd been ordained since 1975. I'd been struggling in my business. I'd had some success, but not the success I really wanted. And I heard about this man who was, I didn't want his work, his version of it, but I wanted that level of success in my life. And so I traveled to where he was speaking. I heard him speak, and I could just tell in the way that he spoke that he knew how things occurred, and I knew he had this kind of success. I begged him to have breakfast with me. He was leading a seminar. He said, I can't have breakfast with you, then he paused and he says, but I'll meet you for coffee. I'll give you 30 minutes. And in that 30 minutes, when he asked me, how can I help you? And I said, I want to do what you're doing. And then he told me that he interviewed me, and ultimately I invested to have him be my mentor. And he only mentored 3 people in his life. He told me he had to be in Detroit the next weekend to meet up with the other 2 people he was going to mentor. I did not know that he was looking for a woman to mentor, that he'd already found 2 men he wanted to mentor. A lot of time and energy that a mentor will pour into you. And the next week when I showed up, there were 2 other men sitting in the room, and Jack Boland would indeed mentor the 3 of us, Les Brown, Wayne Dyer, and Mary Morrissey. And so I hold for you that you find a mentor who has a long track record, somebody who understands how results occur, someone who's willing to help you create the results you want, and someone who deeply and profoundly cares about you and your results. Number 2, look for an established coaching certification program, not one that just came up 5 years ago or 2 years ago. Look for one that's established, that has a long record of success, and where there are many, many successful coaches who have come out of that program. You want a training and certification program where the core values of the training institute you choose actually align with your own core values. I believe you want a program that is led by a gifted mentor with decades of experience coaching others and years of experience certifying other coaches. And you want a faculty that actually does the same thing, not faculty who's just teaching you something they learned in books, but faculty who have highly successful multi-6-figure coaching businesses themselves so that they can lead you in the different areas of what a highly successful coaching business is, but not just from book learning or theory, but from actual real-world, road-tested experience. That's another whole level of training you can receive with a world-class faculty. You want a program, I believe, that gives you the economic engine. There are many good programs, I believe, out there that teach how to coach. And really, some of them teach really well how to coach. And our particular certification program teaches a particular kind of coaching that I deeply believe in, and that's evocative coaching rather than directive, tell you what to do coaching. Much more empowering to the client in the long run of their life, giving them skills that they'll have and ability to live a life they love living throughout the whole rest of their life, and not just when you're working with them. That said, you want a coaching certification program where you have training in the economic engine. You want a coaching business. When we think of coaching, many of us just imagine that sitting across from someone in the one-on-one setting doing the coaching, and that is the core of the business. But don't forget, it's a business. There's the enrolling of clients. There's the tracking of the enrollment. There's the tracking of your clients. There's a business side to this, letting people know you exist. And when you understand that and how simple and easy it can be, you are given everything you need to have high success. The minute you graduate, the minute you become certified, you can begin, you're on your way, and you have a plan and a pattern that actually does produce success in this industry. And you want a program that actually not only has a full and expert faculty, but gives you access to that faculty. So you have lots of places to go to get your questions asked and your own coaching and building your own great coaching business. Number 3, you want to surround yourself with other like-minded coaches, coaches who share your values, coaches who are in the business because they really care about people, that they have a model, an economic engine, and they have a model of helping people, evocative coaching, or whatever it is that fits your core values. But you want a group of like-minded coaches who will support you and actually be cheerleaders for your success as well as you for theirs. So to recap, the 3 things that really sets you up for great success is, number 1, find a gifted mentor to help you. And ideally, that mentor has a coaching certification program with a long history of success. But find a mentor, find a coaching certification program that fits your core values, where there's a faculty that has high success in their lives as well, and that you have access to that faculty over time to really help you build your business. And number 3, make sure that that certification program gives you access to a group of coaches who can be your cheerleaders, who can support you, where there's a tremendous level of support in like-minded coaches who are going to support you and whom you can support. So if you've enjoyed this video, then go ahead and please share it. And then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already done that. So what's a question that you have about starting and growing a successful life coaching business? Go ahead and share your question with me in the comment section below, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.